Hello, welcome to our channel. Any particular WordPress website, how we can activate Google Search Console. So, previous another name is called Google Webmaster. Now it is called Google Search Console. I'm selecting one of the website name is called rkuserlaptops.com.in. So both website will be there. How we can activate Google Search Console. The option name is called Search Console. That is, we can use option name is called search.google.com. So that will be here. So we can go to option name is called Google Search Console. Open by Google the Search Console. Click for Start Now. There is a number of verification is there to activate the domain. So already .com is activated. I'm activated for the .in. Copy the URL. Add property. We have the two option. Domain URL prefix. Without double dot, with the dot, anything that is covered by the domain. The compulsory you enter the URL under enter the address. Only URL under specific protocol. Allow multiple verification method. This will be only for DNS will be verified here. Now click this one and continue it. So there will be a fraction of seconds. They will go to the require your verification methods. If you scroll already is there, they will already verified. But what will happen? I'm selecting for WordPress. WordPress is everything activate by the code of this particular copy paste this code. Where go to the WordPress dashboard. Anything they can option name is called here appearance, or we can go to the your theme editor option will be there. That is called theme file editor. So suppose theme file editor not accepting, we can go to option name is plugin is there. But we have to go option name is called theme file editor. This is called header.php, footer.php. Anything you select. I'm selecting will be header.php. When code will be added here, before the entering the code, in end of the code will be here. Paste this code and click for update. After update this code, will get any errors on your particular website when you're changing for header.php. Nothing will be problem. Immediately click for verify this option. There is a fraction of seconds. Verify is finish. The verify is not finished will be here. There is getting some error will be here. Nothing but the theme editor file will be not working properly. So that is called just leave this one. Which is the header file is there. It is not working. We'll add it on your footer.php. We have another option name is called plugin is there. There is a plugin also we can use it and go to the footer.php. In footer.php, what is the HTML code is there? Add here and update. Refresh and click for verify. If it is accepting that code, continue it. If it is not accepting this code, simple, the code is not affecting this particular theme editor or anything. Simple option, we have to go option name is called, that is called plugins. What are the plugin you will install here? Go to this plugin. So here, there is called add new plugin. The plugin name is called insert header and footer plugin. Add new header, insert header and footer plugin. So selecting will be here. Where is the insert header and footer plugin will be there? Select will be option. Where you can go with. Click this before install. What is the screenshot? Check out the screenshot will be here. Yeah, this is the screenshot. After this one, everything is perfect. And go ahead your install now option. After install, we have to activate second procedure. Any plugin you will install, next procedure will be active this particular plugin will be here. After this, Any plugin you install, go to setting. There is option will be header and footer plugin. WordPress header and footer plugin. Here, go to header, click the code, save changes, and click for verify. This is a fraction of seconds. The verify your particular option. Go to your property. So this will be activated. So what are the performance? What are the indexing? What are the sitemap? Everything you can add it by your particular option. So we can go for sitemap.xml. Still is not could not will be verified here. The sitemap will be not done. So you can add it by will be here. Just in a fraction of second, they will be activate your particular sitemap version. Google Search Console, anything will be particular performance will be checking purpose. They will utilize your particular Google Search Console option. So this is a follow this method to activate Google Search Console on a particular any website. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.